Hi, I'm Dave with Austex Air Conditioning. Today we're going to do a short video on what a hard start kit is. Some people call it a soft start, some people call it a compressor saver, some people call it a kickstarter. What it's designed to do is aid the compressor on startup. So the first thing I'm going to do to demonstrate the actual amp draw on startup of this particular unit without a hard start kit is I'm going to take an amp probe, which gives me the reading or the inrush of the actual amperage it's pulling on startup. So what I'm going to do is just hook it onto the windings of the compressor. We're going to start the compressor, and this shows us 129 amps. Now that's actually high. The biggest thing a compressor goes through as far as wear and tear is starting. It's not the running process, it's the starting process is where you get your most wear and tear. What a hard start kit or a compressor saver does is it gives the compressor a surge of energy on startup, which basically means this start capacitor stores energy. It gives the compressor a surge of power right when it tries to start, and this relay senses the amp drop whenever the refrigerant and everything's moving as it should be, and it takes this out of the circuit. So it's only used for a split second every time the compressor starts. So what I'm going to do is install this kit, and then we're going to do another recording. You should see a big dramatic difference between no start kit and with the start kit on there as far as actual power usage. So what I'm going to do now is, after I've installed the new hard start kit, it drew 78.4 amps on startup with the hard start kit installed. When we didn't have the hard start kit installed, it drew almost 130 amps. That's basically 50 amps difference. That 50 amps every time it starts just lets you know that the compressor is starting quicker, starting easier, and that's what prolongs the life. It's that startup is what creates your wear and tear of your compressor. Keep the efficiency up of the system, and it make a difference on your power bill. This hard start kits also are very good for homes that have generators because it doesn't put as much of a load on your generator if it's running when your air conditioning starts. And that's a huge one. I've installed many hard start kits on homes that were just having generators installed. One thing I would also recommend is always have a professional install hard start kits or capacitors or anything that has to do with your high voltage wiring to your air conditioning unit. Capacitors will hold electricity even when the unit's off. That's what they do. They charge and discharge. If you accidentally run your finger across that capacitor with even the power off, it has the ability to shock you. There are things as a homeowner that you can do as far as preventative maintenance. One is wash the coils, and we'll do a short video on those as well. In closing, this is Dave again with Austex Air Conditioning. If you would like to have us come out and install a hard start kit, just give us a ring anytime and we can get you on the schedule. You can also go to austexair.com and you can go there and schedule yourself on our system. And we'd be happy to come out and look forward to seeing you.